Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Ed, the architect, and today I want to show you here in this room 3 colors that go well together. They complement each other and can decorate any space. Here, the television room is combined with the living room, and I'm going to tell you the names of these 3 colors and give you ideas, tips, and decorations that you can also use in your own living room. Let's get to the video. Well guys, here's the thing. We have a pretty spacious television room here, as you can see in the video. I have a beautiful panel here, a television and a checkered pattern here. It's a really cool, nice design. And the interesting thing about this room, about this decor, is that we have 3 types of combinations in the paint. I want to highlight 3 colors for you in the painting. Next, we'll discuss the furniture, floor, and baseboard. First of all, as I've already mentioned and talked about in several videos for you here on the channel, in every television room we usually make it a bit darker with a stronger, deeper color to give the feeling that the screen is the main highlight. So when you're watching your television, you really get that movie theater atmosphere. So here we have elephant gray, okay? This darker shade of gray you're seeing here is elephant gray. All right? So it's right next to the television. It's there. We have a hallway to the bedrooms and so on. But you can see that here we're right next to the television. So it can deliver this elephant gray color. It can create a darker environment, a more pleasant environment for watching television, okay? And making a contrast with the elephant gray, I have Cockatiel gray, which is the predominant color on all the walls here in the apartment, for example. Here, guys, we're entering the hallway to the bedrooms, and we have Cockatiel gray painted on all the walls. Here, is that right? So, here's an idea. A cool tip for you right away. The main color for the walls of your house, whether it's an apartment or a regular house, a single-story home. Cockatiel gray. This gray we're seeing here, if you want to highlight the environment, if you want to have a wall that stands out more, especially in a television room, go with elephant gray, which is a darker color, and it matches with Cockatiel gray. That's right, and at the same time, it gives you the result you need, especially if you want to have a television room. And I can't forget to mention, of course, the white, especially on the doors. The white on the door is really interesting. It has a nice little contrast with the gray. Cockatiel, that's right. Here we have the satin white of the door, and we have the matte of the Cockatiel. Now, do you want to see the white on the windows on the doors stand out? It's right here. Look how cool it is on the elephant gray. This elephant gray really makes the white on the windows and doors stand out. So, for you who also want to highlight a frame, a nice door that you have in your house, the elephant gray color is extremely important to create this contrast, to make this color combination. And I can't forget to tell you that at the same time we have an elephant gray on a television wall, we have a Cockatiel gray as the predominant color throughout the whole environment. Then I also can't forget to highlight the white on the ceiling. Look how cool the ceiling is, also very important for decorating your space, for these colors to interact and match with each other. You need to have the white on the ceiling. You need to have Cockatiel gray as the predominant color in your space, okay? And then you choose a wall in your space and make it stand out with elephant gray. So here we have 3 colors, 3 shades of gray. Actually, it's 2, 1 is white, making a composition, combining together. So we can see that they go well together. Elephant gray, Cockatiel gray, and the white from the ceiling, also the white from the windows, so they go well together. These 3 colors, elephant gray, Cockatiel gray, and ceiling white. And for details like windows, doors, baseboards, also look at how the baseboard stands out between the elephant gray and the Cockatiel gray. On the floor, we have a vinyl, okay? This one is a vinyl, a medium oak, okay? Oak. We have a darker oak, a lighter oak, but here we have a medium oak, with the white baseboard highlighting the elephant gray with the Cockatiel gray. So, for you who enjoy it, for you who like it, shades of gray. To paint the space in your house, to paint a living room, to paint a bedroom, to paint a gourmet area. Anyway, it doesn't matter which room in your house. Do you like the shade of gray? Okay, do you like the gray color palette? Here are 3 colors that can effectively match to decorate the space in your house with Cockatiel gray. I'll repeat for you as the predominant color. It's on all the walls of your apartment. A light color goes well. It fits nicely with the white of the doors, right? Elephant gray to highlight a wall, okay? You have a highlighted wall and the white of the ceiling, doors, windows, and baseboards to make up your space. There, is that right? So 3 colors that come together, complement each other, and decorate any room in your house. For those of you who like the gray color palette, okay, so here's another cool video showing a nice apartment with this color combination, all right? That's exactly what we have here. I wanted to highlight this television room here precisely because it has the elephant gray in it. The goal here is to deliver a television room that's a bit more pleasant, adapted to this feeling of having a proper television room so we can match it with these colors, right? A nice panel too, which is also pretty cool. The ambient lighting includes crown molding and this plaster island with indirect lighting. We have the main lighting focused here in the center of the room. There are also the spotlights decorating, and this lighting here, it turns on individually. Okay, it's not all together. At the same time, you have the option to leave only the spotlights on, only the main light on, or just the cove lighting. That's what's cool. What's also interesting is to keep the lighting separate, not turning everything on at once. Then picking up on the painting topic, don't go painting everything the same color. Choose a predominant color, make one wall stand out more in your space and combine it with white details. So in this color palette we have here, okay? So I hope you enjoyed and liked this content here, showing you a combination of these 3 colors I mentioned to you. Cockatiel gray, elephant gray, and the ceiling white. And also some details to decorate the room in your house. So if you liked it and you're not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe, leave a like, give me a thumbs up on this video as well. That's right, to help this video reach more people, and also leave your comment. I'd like you to show that in a future video. I'd like you to bring topics like this to the channel and we'll handle them for you. Take care, see you in the next video.